drawing tayo, guys. So, mag-drawing muna tayo ng mata. Mata yung gagawin natin. So, ganito lang siya. Tika lang muna. Tika ko tapos na. Bilis-bilis ko naman. Kayo, excited kayo? Excited kayo makita? So, may ganyan-ganyan pa tayo nga. So, at dito naman. Ang gamay ng side eh. Ha? Ang matang ayan natin, guys. Oh, ganyan pa. Di pa yan tapos, ha? May malapit na tayo. Almost done. So, this is it. You know, draw like this. I saw your hand. I want to make now. Yes. So, I'm just going to be on this weapon. Did I just shape this? We're going to die. Just a minute. I was going to put some designers. Okay. Okay, you gotta have it here. Okay, done. So this is the draw. You love it? Do you love it? Do you love it? So, and I want something on the stick.